Ako, my theory about Mitena is that she will... I think yung mission ni Mitena deep inside is...
What's your fun theory?
Ako, my theory about Mitena is that she will win it all. She will have it all. Kukunin niya ang lahat from everyone. Actually, no one matters except her.
So,
She's the one that's gonna win the game in the end. She definitely wants all of the power. I think yung mission ni Mitena deep inside is mag-sorry kayo.
among all the brilyante, ano yung pinaka gustong-gusto mong makuha?
Ako, parang feeling ko yung pinaka-fun to have is yung brilyante ng apoy.
Ang brilyante ng apoy na siyang tatapos sa iyong buhay.
Fire and ice. Kung may fire ka, may ice ka, edi parang may brilyante ka na din ng tubig.
Hanggang ngayon, wala pa rin dumarating na mas makapangyarihan pa kaysa sa akin. Maghihiganti ako sa kanilang lahat. Wawasakin ko ang buong Encantadia!
Via